curious about which niches on YouTube can potentially yield high earnings. There's a wide array of topics that can generate substantial revenue, and today we're going to delve into them, exploring the reasons why they're so lucrative and how they've been successful. Welcome to UPL Teaching and Training Academy. I am Miss Rose UPL, Virtual Assistant. Thank you for always coming back, we love you. First up, we have the tech review and gadget unboxing niche. Tech enthusiasts are always on the lookout for the latest gadgets and software. They crave quality reviews and comprehensive unboxings to guide their purchasing decisions. This niche is attractive to advertisers due to the high purchasing power of its audience. Brands are willing to pay a premium to reach potential buyers, making this a high-paying YouTube niche. Next, we have the personal finance niche. This encompasses topics like investing, saving, budgeting, and real estate. More than ever, people are seeking advice on managing their finances, especially in uncertain economic times. The personal finance space attracts a mature audience with disposable income, making it appealing for advertisers. The third niche is health and fitness. With a growing focus on health and wellness, there's a huge demand for fitness tips, healthy recipes, and workout routines. This niche attracts a vast audience, from those seeking weight loss advice to people looking to build muscle or improve their mental health. Advertisers in the health and wellness industry are willing to pay a good amount to reach this audience. Moving on, we have the luxury lifestyle niche. This niche covers high-end fashion, luxury travel, and premium products. Viewers are drawn to this niche for its aspirational content, and advertisers are attracted to the affluent audience it garners. This niche can command high ad rates, making it a lucrative choice. Lastly, we have the online education niche. This is a broad category, covering everything from academic subjects to skill-based learning like coding or photography. With the rise in remote learning, this niche has seen exponential growth. Advertisers in the education and tech sectors find this audience highly valuable, leading to high potential earnings. In summary, high-paying niches on YouTube include tech review and gadget unboxing, personal finance, health and fitness, luxury lifestyle, and online education. These niches attract audiences with high purchasing power or a strong desire to learn, making them attractive to advertisers. Each niche offers unique opportunities to create engaging, valuable content that can generate substantial revenue. Remember, while these are high-paying niches, success on YouTube is not just about choosing the right niche. It also involves creating quality content, understanding your audience, and consistently delivering value. So, get out there and start creating. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.